Good afternoon, everyone. Now, today we are going to discuss about political parties. And mostly, dear, when we heard about the political party, so we know only what are the uses of political party to contest election only. No. Mostly, we have seen as a political party as a active during the only election. That's why what we think what is the role of political party to contest election. But apart from that, there are a lot of duties, responsibilities done by political parties, like to make the laws, to run nations, to make the major decision. So now today we'll complete this chapter with the following points. First, we'll discuss why do we need political party? First point, why we need political party? So there are few questions in our mind. That's why we need the political party. If yesterday we have discussed if there is no such political parties, or during election candidate become an independent, if there will be no political party, independent candidate, and later on, if there will be no political party, then they will be responsible for their accountability till only their constituency. They may be answerable till their constituencies. And who will take the decision regarding this? Who will take the major decision? Who will make the laws? And another one it is like a who will maintain the peaceful relations, will make the foreign affairs, foreign policies. There are a lot of duties. Those all work done by the government. These are political parties. Okay, dear. So first, we are going to discuss why do we need the political parties. Then we need the political party. So several functions are given in your book why we need political party. We need political party. First is the contest election. So dear, elections are contest by the political party. There are the different political party like a BJP, Congress, SP, BSP, AAP party. Some are regional state parties, some are the national level parties. So these are the contest elections. And during the elections, some political party which got majority from the government, or sometimes government may be formed by the with the help of other political party, that is only the coalition government. So their coalition government, when a government formed by more than one political party, mostly in our country there are two such coalition group. One is known by the NDA, another one known by the UPA. NDA is the National Democratic Alliance. Mostly BJP is main role party in this NDA, National Democratic Alliance. So BJP in leading role. Another one UPA, United Progressive Alliance. United Progressive Alliance. So in this Congress in leading role. So these are the duties, first work of the political party to contest election. If there will be no such political party, how to elections are contest? A different election may be. Second one, to make the policies and programs regarding the nation's political parties, make the policies and programs, different programs. What are the policies, like we have discussed, like a foreign affairs? There are many policies regarding the laws. These are done by the political parties. And to make the laws in both houses, Rajya Sabha House, and this is known as the upper house, and another one lower house means the parliament or Sansad. Another one, form and run the government. Political party are need to the run the government to take the decisions, run the government. Many times political parties also play the role of opposition. Role of opposition also played by the political party. If government they are not properly working or not, so in such condition they may be criticized. Like latest example today is the what one inside the northern India in Punjab mostly. To why farmers has started the movement. And there is the one political party from Punjab is playing the important role in for a like a opposition or criticize the central government. So these are the duties to raise the issues of public, to raise the issues of any communities. So these are the duties of the political party, and they do this job through the opposition. Sometime opposition, if no opposition political party, so there may be resolution through the different pressure group. So what are the pressure group? There are the different pressure group. Those are work for political party like a APVP, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, such group. Another one NSUI group, different community groups, and like some group like a Dal Bajrang Dal, or like there are many different groups which work together for a political party or to raise the issues of public. Access to the government machinery and welfare access. Another one duties of government to control access the all government machineries, and all machineries should be utilized for a welfare for a public, and everyone can get the benefit through their government machinery. So these are the duties of political party. So what are the functions we have discussed? This is the answer of first topic. Why do we need parliament? Why we need, sorry, political party? So dear, we need political party to and to done all these functions. For these functions, political parties are required. So we have completed the first topic. Second one, why political party are necessary? Necessary or necessary? It is for all the functions we have discussed earlier. How many parties should we have? How many parties should we have? So there are, in our India, we'll discuss to concern world also. So there are three party system. Till now, there is the one party system, two party system, and multi party system. One party system, China, there is a communist party where the government formed by the one party only. But in democracy, in class ninth, we have discussed earlier here, in democracy, more than one political party should be required to contest free and fair election. And if there will be two political parties, the public get the choice, or maybe they can vote according to their wish. But there is no such choice available for public. To such country we can't say the democratic. So dear student, China a one political party system, two party system like a UK and USA, two party system, and multi party system is only India. There are lot of parties, very well about, like we'll discuss later on. So how many party system in India, world? One party, China, Communist Party. Two party system mostly when a government formed by the only two party. For example, USA and UK. Multi party system is India. Okay, dear. So there are three party systems. Next one, national political party. So what are the different political parties? We'll discuss in this topic about the national political party. What are the which political party work at the national level? Such political party contest the election at national level. Some party contest election at a regional level, that is known as a regional party. Some party contest election at the state level, that are known as the state party. National political party, first one is the INC. It means Indian National Congress, founder of Indian National Congress, AOU 1885. What are the ideology of this party dear? To promote the weaker section and minority and secularism. Okay, secularism and to promote the weaker and minority sections. Another one, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, founder Bharatiya Janata, and it was found in 1980. Okay, dear, and it worked on the Hindutva. Hindutva to promote the Hindutva cultures, their ideology, and integration of J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, जैसा कि करके दिखा दिया. Okay, J&K. Another one, Bahujan Samajwadi Party, 1984, home by Kasiram, and mostly promote the Adivasis tribal group and Dalit and OBC also. Okay, and today's Supremo of the BSP, you know very well, Mayawati, and CPI, next political party, formed in 1925, mostly known by the Communist Party of India. And this political party, communist means to promote the weaker section of societies and famous in Kerala. Okay. Last one, NCP. You know very well in Maharashtra, Sharad Pawar. NCP, found in 1999. Nationalist, not a nationalist Congress Party, nationalist and last one is the Nationalist Congress Party, mostly famous in Maharashtra, like Sharad Pawar and this political party. Okay, so this political party has taken the ideology of equality, liberty, justice, like those are given in our fundamental rights or like this. Such ideologies are. So these are the national political parties. Next one, state parties, which are contest election at the state level, like a एसपी समाजवादी पार्टी एज ए स्टेट पार्टी आप बिकम ए नेशनल पार्टी हो गई आप बट आप अर्ली टाइम इट वाज द नेशनल एट फेमस एट द entire Delhi only these parties are known as the state party which party contest election at the state level. What are the challenges to the political parties? In this topic, there are many challenges in front of the political party. First challenges, yesterday we have discussed that challenges is first one is the to end the dynasty system. You know, dynasty succession system is after death or maybe retirement of father or mother, son become a leader of the political party. Misuse of the money and power, another challenges. Many times ticket given to the only those who are relative or a close relation inside the political party. These are the major challenges for a political party. So what are the reforms? How to we can improve that? How to we can remove the such challenges? So how can parties become reformed here? So if you know such norms are made by the constitutions for a political party, if any MLA, MP maybe change the political party. If any MLA or MP maybe change the political party, so you know according the constitution, her or his seat become vacant at particular constituencies. In simple language we can say अगर कोई एमएलए एमपी अगर किसी पार्टी में चला जाता है या चेंज करता है अपनी खुद की पार्टी से दूसरी पार्टी को ज्वाइन करता है तो उस जगह उसका विनिंग जो कैंडिडेट जो भी एमएलए एमपी है वो सीट वैकेंट हो जाएगी. इट मीन्स वहां पे मिड इलेक्शन होंगे या रिजाइन दिया है तो बाई इलेक्शन होंगे. ओके जी, तो सच reforms. Second reforms, you know, political party before contest the election, it is compulsory to fill up the affidavit. In affidavit, there is the claim or maybe the information regarding the candidate, number of children, account details, asset, property, any criminal cases is pending or not. So such detail also fill up by the candidate. That is known as the affidavit. EC has passed the order to the all political party to be all a regular register of their members and fill up ITR income tax returns should be. So these are the reforms mentioned in your book. There are many reforms which are suggested by the different political party, by different institutions, but till now they are not implemented or few political parties implemented. So we will discuss at the next lecture. Okay, dear. So last topic now. Few suggestions are given by the different political parties, different institutions, different organizations. So these are the suggestions. First suggestion: political parties should be maintain their own constitution. Norms should be mentioned. They should be maintain the regular registers. Elections should be contest inside the political party to promote the internal democracy. So these are the one suggestion given. Another one, register for its members should be maintained. Or last suggestion is given कि 1/3 seats should be reserved for the women. So few students, if any doubt, so their 1/3 tickets should be reserved for the women. So such reservation today we are giving, but not in MLA and MP election. It is for only local election. Local election में तो ये pass है. In local election, 1/3 reservation we have given already, but they have demand for the MLA and MP election means state and the parliament for. But no one political party ready to support this decision. But if you support to the women, so they able to make their laws, they may be able to promote their society, or they may be improve their decision making or quality or like. So there are many such criteria. If you give the platform for the women, so their living standard, their maybe we can say their such system will be improved for a woman, like they can improve education, they can make the laws to promote the such weaker section of the women. So this will be beneficial for such society. If we compare today male and female, there are many such education literacy rate, income, living standard, discrimination. So there are many points, you know very well, where they are backward or maybe the backside compared than the us. And another one suggestion is given by state funding means government should be give the money for the political party to contest election for a like in paid for a petrol, paper, telephone bill or like, or in place of that government maybe give the cash. So these are the suggestions. Till now, no political party yet implemented this suggestion. So this is the chapter dear we have discussed and we have completed the political party. Tomorrow onwards we will start the new chapter.